What if I told you that the secret to a sculpted, depuffed face isn't hiding in an expensive jar of cream, but right at your fingertips? Literally. In the next few minutes, you're going to discover a technique so powerful that celebrities and supermodels swear by it before every red carpet event. And the best part? It takes just 10 minutes, costs absolutely nothing, and the results are visible immediately. But here's the catch. 99% of people are doing it completely wrong, and that's why they're not seeing results. If you're ready to transform your face naturally, hit that subscribe button right now, because you don't want to miss what's coming next. The problem we all face. Have you ever woken up, looked in the mirror, and barely recognized the puffy, swollen face staring back at you? Maybe your under eyes look like you haven't slept in weeks, even though you got 8 hours. Or perhaps your jawline seems to have disappeared overnight, leaving you looking tired and older than you feel. You're not alone. Facial puffiness affects millions of people every single day. That morning, puffiness, those under-eye bags, that undefined jawline, they're all signs that something deeper is going on beneath your skin. And no, it's not just about drinking too much water before bed or eating salty foods. The real culprit? Your lymphatic system. And most people have never even heard of it. If you're ready to stop waking up with that puffy, tired face, the Ageless Protocol is offering viewers an exclusive discount through the link in the description. Don't let toxins age your face. Start your detox from the inside out today. Understanding your hidden drainage system. Your body has a secret network running beneath your skin, a sophisticated waste removal system called the lymphatic system. Think of it as your body's internal cleanup crew, working 24/7 to remove toxins, excess fluid, bacteria, and cellular waste from your tissues. Here's where it gets interesting. Unlike your circulatory system, which has your heart pumping blood throughout your body, your lymphatic system has no pump. It relies entirely on movement, breathing, and muscle contractions to keep fluid flowing. This is why, when you sleep in one position all night, gravity causes lymph fluid to pool in certain areas, especially your face. When everything's working smoothly, excess fluid drains away naturally, and your face looks fresh, contoured, and glowing. But when your lymphatic system gets sluggish, that's when problems start. Fluid accumulates in the tissues of your face, causing swelling, puffiness, dullness, and that dreaded puffy face look that no amount of makeup can hide. Why your face gets puffy. So what causes your lymphatic system to slow down in the first place? First, there's stress. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which affects fluid balance and can cause your face to appear round and puffy. Then there's sleep, or lack of it. Not getting enough quality sleep disrupts your body's natural fluid regulation. Plus, sleeping on your stomach or side causes gravity to pull fluid downward, which is why your face often looks especially puffy in the morning. Poor posture is another massive culprit that nobody talks about. If you spend hours hunched over a computer or looking down at your phone, you're compressing the lymph nodes in your neck and creating a bottleneck. Diet plays a role too. High sodium intake causes your body to retain water, and that excess fluid shows up first in your face. Dehydration has the opposite effect you'd expect. When you don't drink enough water, your body holds on to every drop it can, including in your facial tissues. And here's something most people don't realize. Aging and sun damage actually reduce the number of lymphatic vessels in your skin. As you get older, your lymphatic system naturally becomes less efficient. The science behind lymphatic drainage. Now, you might be wondering, does lymphatic drainage actually work? Or is this just another beauty trend? The science is actually fascinating. Lymphatic drainage has been used in medicine for decades to treat serious conditions like lymphedema. Multiple studies have confirmed its effectiveness for reducing post-surgical swelling, with research showing it significantly decreased swelling after procedures like wisdom tooth removal. When it comes to facial benefits specifically, a 2015 Japanese study found a direct link between reduced lymphatic activity in the skin and facial sagging. Another study showed that lymphatic drainage reduced fat thickness in people with cellulite. Here's the truth. Most of the evidence for facial lymphatic drainage's cosmetic benefits is anecdotal rather than from large-scale clinical trials. But the technique is completely safe, costs nothing, and thousands of people report immediate visible improvements in puffiness, skin brightness, and facial definition. Dermatologists explain it this way. By using gentle, rhythmic massage movements that follow the direction of lymph flow, you're manually helping to push stagnant fluid out of your facial tissues and toward the lymph nodes in your neck. The result? Less fluid retention, reduced inflammation, and a more sculpted appearance. The 10-minute technique that changes everything. All right, this is the moment you've been waiting for. I'm about to walk you through the exact technique that professionals use, adapted for you to do at home in just 10 minutes. But before we start, there's one critical rule. Lymphatic drainage must be gentle. This isn't a deep tissue massage. You're working with vessels that sit just beneath the skin's surface, so the pressure should be light, almost feather-like. Start by preparing your skin. Never perform lymphatic drainage on dry skin. Use a facial oil or serum to give your fingers slip. This protects your delicate facial skin from damage. Begin with deep breathing. Place your hands on your abdomen and take 5 deep breaths, feeling your stomach rise and fall. This activates your lymphatic system and prepares it for drainage. Now, start at your neck. This is crucial and where most people go wrong. Your neck contains the major drainage points for all the lymph fluid leaving your face. Using both hands, make gentle downward strokes from your jawline down to your collarbones. Repeat this 10 times. You're essentially opening the drain before you start pushing fluid toward it. Next, move to your face. Place your fingers at the center of your forehead and use gentle, sweeping motions to push outward toward your temples, then down toward your ears and neck. Repeat 5 times. For the under eye area, this is where magic happens. Use your ring finger. It naturally has the lightest touch. Start at the inner corner of your eye and gently press along the under eye area, moving outward toward your temple, then sweeping down to your jawline and neck. This technique is incredibly effective for those stubborn under eye bags. Repeat 10 times on each side. Now tackle the cheeks and mid-face. Place your fingers beside your nose and sweep outward under your cheekbones toward your ears, then down your neck. This helps drain the fluid that makes your face look puffy and undefined. Do this 10 times. For the jawline, and this is where you'll see serious sculpting, start at your chin and use firm but gentle pressure to sweep along your jawline toward your ears, then down your neck. This movement is key for reducing that double chin appearance and defining your jaw. Repeat 10 times on each side. Finally, finish where you started, with those downward neck strokes. This ensures all the fluid you've mobilized actually leaves your face. The entire process should take about 10 minutes. Some people see results immediately. A more defined jawline, reduced under-eye puffiness, and brighter skin. Maximizing your results. Here's how to take your results from good to incredible. First, consistency is everything. Doing this once won't transform your face permanently, but doing it every morning for 10 minutes, that's when you'll see dramatic changes. The best time for lymphatic drainage is first thing in the morning when puffiness is at its peak. Your face has been horizontal all night, allowing fluid to accumulate. Consider using tools. Gua sha stones and jade rollers can enhance the massage by providing consistent pressure and a cooling effect. The cold temperature is particularly effective. Some experts recommend keeping your tools in the refrigerator for an extra depuffing boost. Hydration is non-negotiable. Drinking plenty of water actually helps reduce facial puffiness. When you're dehydrated, your body holds on to every drop of fluid it can. Watch your sodium intake, especially before bed. High-salt foods cause water retention that shows up in your face by morning. Eating antioxidant-rich foods like berries and leafy greens can also reduce inflammation and support lymphatic health. And finally, move your body. Exercise increases circulation and stimulates lymphatic flow throughout your entire body, including your face. Look, I'm not going to promise you that lymphatic drainage will completely replace cosmetic procedures or give you the face of a 20-year-old. But what I can tell you is this: it's one of the most effective, scientifically supported, and completely free methods for reducing facial puffiness, improving skin brightness, and revealing your natural facial structure. The technique works. Thousands of people use it daily. Estheticians charge hundreds of dollars for professional treatments. And now you know how to do it yourself in just 10 minutes. The real question is, will you actually do it? Because knowing this information changes nothing. Taking action, that's what transforms your face. So here's what I want you to do. Before you go to bed tonight, set your alarm 10 minutes earlier than usual. Tomorrow morning, try this technique. Take a before photo, do the drainage, then take an after photo. See the difference for yourself. And when you do, come back and let me know your results in the comments. Your skin can't glow if your lymphatic system is sluggish. Give it the boost it needs with the Ageless Protocol's special discount exclusively for this channel's viewers. Click the link below before the offer expires and wake up tomorrow with a face that looks as refreshed as you feel. If this video helped you, make sure you're subscribed so you never miss content like this. Your face will thank you.